So I did it to another fan, put Littleton blades on it. Unfortunately, I didn't have 5 exact same Littleton blades, so a few of them are more heavier, a few of them are not, so that throws the fan completely off balance. But here we go. Right, this is the one of the unknown twins, Littletons. This is a 2001 model of this kind of fan. Yeah, it wobbles slightly, but I don't think it wobbles on low. And I think I'm going to show you guys how I deconstruct this. How I deconstruct the fan in this video. So while the fan spins up to each speed, I'll start setting up. There's medium. Alright. I'm going to use a crate as my camera prop. Oh my gosh, pecans are hitting the ceiling. So yeah, at that point it starts wobbling, as you can tell. It's not too bad. I keep having to clear my throat because, you know. Alright. About to crank it up to high. I'm not going to do it for very long. That's why I'm trying to get as much done as I can behind the scenes while I do this. There we go. There we go. It goes really fast. And if you sleep underneath a fan like this, you have a death wish. Because look at how much it's wobbling. And those blades are only put on with one screw. Just keep in mind. Which that'll never happen anyway, so. But if it was wobbling like that, I wouldn't want to sleep underneath one like that, so. I'm gonna see if I can. I really don't want to make a second video to. Fuse together in my. I mean, I'm gonna be using my editing app, nonetheless, but I don't want to use it for any more than this, or any more than just my intro. So while it's spinning down, I'm going to see if I can try and get this in place here. I know I really do need a tripod. I hope y'all can see this. Maybe not. You know what? I'm just going to put y'all here. Show y'all what I do. You're only going to be able to see part of the fan, I think. Yep. That's fine. I was able to see it underneath there because it had a, it's on, your guys are on a glass table and the screen's on the other side. I really should have reversed the camera, but if I reverse the camera, I won't be able to see what I'm filming. So, here we go. Let's start deconstructing. So yeah, just, I haven't shown you guys yet how I do this, and some of y'all may think that I have my dad behind the scenes help me hang up these fans, but no, I do it all by myself. I'm going to prove that right now. 1 second, guys, let me go turn off the power. Alright, power is off. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So now, alright, so there's that. Take the screw out so I don't lose it. Okay, that looks good. I think I'll do this to some of the other fans too. I'm not sure yet though. Okay, there goes that one. Imagine turning on the fan right now. The fan would be going crazy. Okay. showing you guys what I do. Just take down a fan. Okay. As you can tell, as I'm taking these blades off, you can definitely see that there's only one screw in each of them. Okay. Hopefully the video is still recording at this point. If it isn't, I'm just talking to nothing. Just talking to myself here. Alright, so the power is indeed off. Get these glass shades right here. I brought out the other motor so I could take the other down rod, because I have the other down rod on the gazebo. I'll put up the gazebo for you guys too. Power is off. Let's do this. Voila. Motor is down. It is time for the gazebo to go back up. Because this is the last fan I'm going to be working on today. I literally have the whole thing, and oh, here we go. This thing is heavy. One of the heavier fans for sure. I mean, the motor itself is what all this weight is. Everything else, like the blades, is pretty light. The motor's just all of it right there. Okay. Let's get these wires in check. Alrighty. Hopefully the video is still recording. It should be. Start wire nutting. Now the hardest wires to wire nut is the hardest amount of wires to wire nut when you're hanging up a ceiling fan is the 3 wires. And most likely the 3 wires are going to be black and blue. Black coming from the ceiling, black coming from your fan. The black can also be red, I think. I haven't really seen red wires in our ceilings. But I believe the black can also be red. I'm not a certified electrician either, so it's okay if I get it wrong. If I get it wrong while I'm an electrician, there's something wrong with me. But I do have my career leading to electrician. Not exactly sure if I'm going to be able to do it or something. I don't know. So yeah, it's up there. There we go, it's dropped in. Alright. Yeah, we're still recording. Good. That's good. Alright. Let's put this spotlight in here. This is a spotlight that's been traveling throughout my videos and all the fans. And here's this LED that's starting to fail already. Brand new. Fan. I have these separated in certain areas, that way I know which chain is supposed to be fan and which chain is supposed to be light, because I don't want the fan chain being too long. But it still is long. Alright, now I'm going to go turn on the power, and then soon after that end this video. Alright, at this point everything should power on normally. at the medium speed that I have it, and the light's supposed to be on. Alright guys, hope you guys like this little demo of how I do this fan stuff out here. Let's turn off that light. I'll turn it back on after I end it. But anyways guys, like, subscribe, do all that other stuff, do what the intro said, and thanks for watching.